In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. You've done the creative work. Now let's lock it in properly so it's easy to find, share, and edit later. Start by heading to the top menu and choosing File, then Save As. This is the best way to create a clean, dedicated master file for your project rather than overwriting something unintentionally. It also lets you specify exactly where the file lives and how it's formatted. When the Save As dialog opens, first decide where the file should go. Choose a folder you'll remember, ideally within a project directory that keeps assets, exports, and references organized. If you're collaborating, use a shared location that everyone can access. Keeping a consistent home for your files saves a lot of searching later. Next, type a name for your file. Make it descriptive and easy to scan, something that reflects the project and the content. Many designers like to add a version number or date so it's clear which file is the latest. Avoid special characters that can cause issues on some systems and keep names concise but meaningful. Now, open the Format drop-down and select Adobe Illustrator .ai. This is the native format for Illustrator and it preserves everything that makes your artwork editable: layers, artboards, appearance settings, live effects, and vector precision. Even if you plan to export a PDF or PNG later, saving in .ai Master ensures you can return to the file and make pixel-perfect adjustments at any time. Click Save, and Illustrator will present the Illustrator options window. Here you can fine-tune how the file is saved. The most important choice is version compatibility. If you or your collaborators use different versions of Illustrator, pick a version that everyone can open. Keep in mind that saving to an older version may flatten or expand newer features, so if you rely on the latest effects, it's best to stay current whenever possible. You may also see options related to creating a PDF-compatible file, embedding linked assets, or color profile settings. These can aid previewing, interoperability, and consistency